Hey guys, it's Jeremy from Passfire. In today's video, we're going to do something fun and light off these Battlefield Drones War by Legend Fireworks. And they come on these boards, and each board has 12 of these little things that kind of look like these guys that you might remember lighting off as a kid, the little artificial satellites. We're not just going to light off one of these boards, but we have an entire case. So we have a case that's 24 per case, so times 12 each. If I do my math right, that's 288 of these little drones that we're going to send up in the air tonight. We're actually going to test one of these first just to see what the effect is like with a single one, and then we're going to light off the other 23 after that. And we're just matching them together in pods of 6, and then we're going to fire that with E-matches off of Tom's Cobras. So let's use the magic of time-lapse and get these all set up and see what they look like.
Yep, we've got good continuity. Very cool.